Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Christina Aquino, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Denitsa Sekova. Denitsa, what are you looking at this morning?
Broadcom, which is also selling off further after the Oracle news we get. The shares are down about 11% now. The ticker is AVGO. It's, of course, coming off AI. And actually, we saw a strong earnings report, but the outlook is really shaking investors' confidence. What we heard from their CEO is that the company has a backlog of 73 billions in AI product orders. That clearly shook investors. The CEO later qualified that the figure was a minimum, but that clearly is not bringing much relief. Broadcom has been on a crazy rally this year. The stock was up more than 75%. So you can imagine that's one reason investors are punishing the company swiftly after this. The conference call come after this really big rally. Investors were seeking more clarity about what's the actual payoff from AI, and it seems like they're not very excited about the answer. Instead, they got a vague timetable. There is no AI revenue forecast for 2026, which is one reason investors may be even more worried. The report actually showed some strong numbers. Sales were about 19 billion, which is much higher than what analysts were expecting, but we can see in that world of AI, where everyone is worried about those circular deal, and Broadcom is in the center of many of those, including one with OpenAI. Any type of outlook miss is punished very, very harshly.
Yeah, all right, Denitsa. We're also talking leggings and Lululemon having a good day. What's going on?
A very different topic, but Lululemon is doing great. The stock is up about 9%, and it surged about 14% in earlier tradings. It seems like the CEO of the price yoga wear is about to move, and then the company boosted its food year outlook and announced that the CEO would step down after a period of sluggish growth. That's been an interesting space. We're getting so many different brands with yoga pants that are worth more than $100. We have Alo, we have Nike even having a collaboration with Skims and Kim Kardashian. So it's been a very competitive space, and Lululemon, which was once kind of the leader and the go-to market for $100 yoga pants, has been struggling. The company has been down more than 50% this year. This is really one of the best days for the company in some time. The fiscal third quarter report had a few positive numbers, profit and comparable sales beat analyst expectations, so some relief there. And people are excited about the potential of a new CEO coming and kind of lifting the brand back to its great days.
All right, finally, Citigroup.
Citigroup shares are now flat, but they surged in earlier trading. JP Morgan raised the recommendation on the lender to overweight from neutral. Pretty big change there. Citigroup stands to benefit from a solid economy. This is just what JP Morgan is saying. At the same time, Citi should continue to benefit from further transformation, including improving its efficiency ratio, making progress on consent orders, and reducing stranded costs. So quite a bullish forecast there. The price target is $124, coming from about $107. And this is about 11% upside from here. So pretty bullish note. And we saw some upside in earlier trading, but now obviously the whole market is trading lower after the Oracle news.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.